Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with the essentials: pencil, eraser, and a smooth sheet. Begin by drawing one large circle for the head and two smaller circles for ears, positioning them slightly above the head's top. Once done, add a vertical center line and a horizontal eye line to lock proportions. This helps keep symmetry as you work. Make sure to keep strokes light so you can erase later. These simple construction shapes define the character's silhouette and make later details consistent and easier to place. Next, focus on the face. Draw an oval for the muzzle overlapping the lower head circle and mark the mouth line and nose position. This establishes expression and perspective. Then add two slightly oval eyes on the horizontal guide, spacing them evenly. Place pupils toward the center for that classic look. Sketch eyebrow arcs to imply emotion. Refine the jaw and cheek curves where the muzzle meets the head and clean up intersecting construction lines. This clarifies forms, so the final line work reads smoothly. Now commit to final lines. Carefully ink the outer silhouette with slightly heavier strokes and use thinner lines for interfacial details to add depth. Fill the ears and nose with solid black and add subtle shading under the muzzle and inside the mouth to suggest volume. Once ink is dry, erase all pencil guidelines and assess proportions. If the face looks off, tweak jaw angle or eye spacing and rebalance line weight. Remember, small adjustments fix most problems. Redo a line rather than redraw the whole head.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.